This video explains the procedures that will be used to score the Pasadena Police Department's Physical Agility Test. The Physical Agility Test is administered to assess the applicant's physical fitness for the rigors of the police academy. You will be evaluated on 4 exercises: push-ups, sit-ups, 165-pound body drag, and a 1.5-mile run. Your score will be graded as a pass or fail for all exercises. The applicant is allowed to retake only one failed exercise. However, the applicant must pass all elements of the tests to proceed to the panel interview. Test number 1 consists of push-ups. You will be tested to conduct a minimum of 30 push-ups within 2 minutes. However, we recommend maximum effort within the 2 minutes allotted for this time period. For the starting position, you'll be lying prone with feet touching the ground, elbows bent, and hands underneath the shoulders. On the command, "Ready, go," you must push up with your hands, keeping your back straight until elbows are fully extended with a short pause at the top. Keeping the back straight, return to the starting position just above the ground, touching the yoga block. Do not rest on the ground. The rest position is allowed in the up position only, with arms fully extended. The applicant may shake off one arm at a time or lift one foot up at a time. However, the test stops when the applicant can no longer hold the push-up position and the applicant falls or knees touch the ground. Maximum effort is encouraged in the allotted time. Test number 2 consists of sit-ups. The applicant must complete a minimum of 30 sit-ups within 2 minutes. A partner is encouraged to hold your feet and hold your legs for stability. Again, we recommend maximum effort within the 2 minutes of the allotted time. For the starting position, applicant must lay flat on their back with shoulder blades on the ground, knees up and arms across your chest, while your hands are grasping the top of the collar. On the command, "Ready, go," vigorously drive your upper body off the ground. Continue until your elbows pass your knees and immediately return your shoulders back to the ground in a repetitive motion. Resting is allowed. However, you can only rest in the up position. Test number 3 consists of the body drag. The applicant must lift and drag a 165-pound lifelike dummy 32 feet within 10 seconds. The applicant will be instructed to lift the dummy first. On the command, "Ready, go," the applicant will drag the dummy 32 feet until the dummy's feet cross the finish line. Time starts when the dummy's feet cross the starting line. Do not jerk the dummy when lifting. Do not grab the dummy by the head, and you cannot lift the dummy over your shoulder. It is important that the feet of the dummy stay in contact with the ground during the drag. The last test will be the 1.5-mile run. The applicant is required to run 1.5 miles around a relatively flat, smooth surface within 14 minutes. You will receive the command, "Ready, go." On the command of go, you will cross the starting line and complete 2 laps around the track to complete the 1.5-mile run. It is important that you give maximum effort on this run. If you are invited to take the physical agility test, it is highly recommended that you arrive early to give yourself plenty of time to check in, stretch, hydrate, and utilize the bathrooms. We recommend that you bring your ID only. Cell phones or keys can be stored at the check-in table until you complete the physical agility test. Those applicants that successfully complete the physical agility test will be immediately invited to proceed to an oral interview on site. Those that pass the physical agility test and the oral interview will be given instructions on how to complete the background packet. There will be background investigators on site to answer any questions after all testing. We look forward to seeing you and wish you the best of luck in accomplishing your goal to become a Pasadena police officer.